Welcome to Math with Mrs. Cox. We are on Chapter 7, Lesson 4. This lesson is about problem solving, and I really don't like doing the lesson in the book. And so this is the reteach, and because it's Friday, we're going to do it as our lesson in class. So here's what we are going to work with on solving backwards for problem solving. Let's begin. A scientist plans to study exotic birds in the rainforest. The helicopter flight to and from the rainforest costs $499. Supplies cost $112 for each day. How many days can the scientist spend in the rainforest on a budget of $1,284? All right, so we need to write down what we know. The helicopter flight costs, don't like that color. Let's try that again. Helicopter flight costs $499. The supplies cost $112, but we need to also write for each day. The budget is $1,283. What do you need to find? And what you need to find is how many days the scientist can spend in the rainforest. Okay, that is what your first page looks like. Pretty easy, right? Okay, step 3. We need to carry out a plan. We need to decide which operation undoes each step. Undo the addition of the cost of the helicopter. Which operation undoes addition? Yep, you're right. Subtraction. Subtract the cost of the helicopter from the total budget. So here we go. The total budget was $1,283. We're going to take the cost, we're going to subtract the cost of the helicopter. And then when we do this work over here, then we get that number right there. So $784. The scientist has $784 left after paying for the helicopter. Now we can undo the multiplication of the number of days the scientist can stay in the rainforest. What operation undoes multiplication? Yes, division is the opposite. So we can divide the amount remaining by the cost of supplies for each day. So we can go, this is how much money we have left over. And it costs this much for each day. And we can do, let's see, I'm going to estimate that this is really close to 100 and this is really close to 700. So I'm going to do a little work over here, a little guess and check to see if it'll go into there about 7 times. Ooh, perfect on the money. We'll take it. Yes. So they can be in there for 7 days. So we need to put $784 divided by $112 a day equals 7 days they can stay in the rainforest. So they can stay in the rainforest for 7 days. Is this solution reasonable? Yes. And how can we check our answer? Well, we can just work the other way around. So we can do inverse operations. Solve each problem by working backward. Mrs. Robinson's class is planting trees for Arbor Day. They raised a total of $80 to buy trees and supplies. A local nursery has offered to provide the trees for $7 each. They spend $17 on supplies. How many trees can they buy? Okay, so they have $80. We need to work backwards for trees and supplies. So we take $80 and we can spend $17 on supplies. So let's take the supplies out of that, and that'll tell us how much we have left for the trees. 7, 8, 9, 10 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. We have $63. So $63, we'll take $63 divided by 7, and we know that that is 9. So we know that they can buy 9 trees. See how we worked backwards on that? We did $80 minus 17. Then we divided by 7. Mr. Stone's class visits the aquarium. Mr. Stone has $46.74 for the trip. The entrance fee for the class is $34.75. The rest of the money is used to buy posters for the classroom, and each poster costs $3. How many posters can Mr. Stone buy? So let's work backwards. So here is the total amount that he has, $46.75. Then to get into the aquarium, it costs $34, which is actually pretty cheap for a whole class. Okay, let's subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So he has $12 left. And we can quickly do a division problem where we do 12 divided by 3 means he can buy 4 posters. So he can buy 4 posters. And they want you to turn this into an equation. So you can do 46.75 subtract 34.75 and put that in parentheses. And then you can do divided by 3. All right. There is your math for today. Please work on ALEKS topics or IXL topics. Thank you.